Hello, this is Steve from Vito's Leatherworks. Today's project is this office chair. We're off site today at my cousin's garage where we're going to disassemble this chair and see if we can sandblast the metal, paint it, prime it, actually prime it and paint it and clear coat it, and then we'll go back to the shop and see if we can work on these cushions, the armrest, the seat, the armrest in the back to change it into leather. All right, so let's get started. So for those of you who don't know what a sandblaster is, basically it's a enclosed cabinet like that, which has a hose inside with a nozzle that pushes extremely high pressure air with sand, and it beads off the metal. So as you can see, I've sanded this area right here. Basically it takes all the paint off. You see how it's a little bit gray? It's kind of difficult to tell under this light. Just done this front surface right here. It's a little bit time consuming process, but you know what, that's the right way to do something if you're going to paint metal or anything else, just to kind of sandblast that surface dirt, old paint, and then you can start fresh. Alright, let's continue. I know it's a little noisy, but I wanted to show you guys how this machine works. Kind of cool. Let's see if we can get an angle at it. Difficult with one hand. All right, so at this stage we've got the chair apart, obviously, and we sandblasted and primed everything. Now this is the color that the chair is going to be. It's almost a brownish taupish color, which was very similar to what it was. I know it's difficult to tell in these lights, but it looks more like a tan in the picture here in the video, but in actuality it's got a lot more brown to it. The base of the chair is going to be gray. This is just a primer, and these pieces here are going to be chrome plated right here. Actually, not chrome plated. They're just going to be dyed chrome, sprayed chrome. Chrome plating is totally different than actual just spraying them silver, shiny silver. All right. Well, this is the garage. Just a quick view of what's around me. There's a lot of nice old cars. Spend many hours in this garage helping my cousin restoring old cars. There's a nice frame. Fresh motor and trans. Alright, so let's continue, and next we'll be going to my shop to continue this project. Alright, let's continue. Alright, so today we're going to basically work on the cushions. So you can take these apart and replace the covers. So basically we're going to disassemble everything today. Alright, let's continue. So usually when there's a couple of pieces sewn together, like this top cushion, it's got side gussets here. Before I take it apart, I put some guidelines there, guiding marks. So when I cut the new piece of leather, I'll transfer those marks to the new one, and then during stitching, those lines should match up perfectly, and then it'll fit back onto the seat or back part of the seat much easier. Now this is the leather we're going to use for it. It's really nice leather. I think this will go real well with that color, like that gray color, also that like a brown taupish color. It's in the same family. All right, let's continue. Alright, so this is the back piece I just took off. I sanded it and I primed it to get that rust off a little bit. I mean, it's better than what it was, just to make it last a little bit longer. You want to put the new leather piece over on top of that leather, that rust. This will be at least a little better than nothing. This is the back seat, the back of the back seat. So now I chose a little bit of the leather area that it's not 100%, but it's not bad. It is the back seat. We try to salvage some of the better quality leather with less imperfections. Leave it for the front and the armrest and the seat. And the back pieces you can kind of do like a second grade, which doesn't mean it's bad. It just has a little bit of imperfections in the leather. I mean, to the naked eye, it's not really visible. All right, let's continue. Alright, so we've got it nice and stapled on there. It looks pretty good. I love this color. I think it's going to look real nice once it gets done. Little areas that need touching up here and there, we'll do that after we get it completely assembled. Alright, and this goes right on top, just like that. Alright. Beautiful. Just want you guys to see what's underneath this cushion. This thing is about beat to death. Holy shit. Wow. Obviously we're not going to be able to use this cushion. Damn. Come on. Well, needless to say, we're gonna put a new cushion in this bad boy. Wow. Well, it used to be a nice cushion. Dense foam. Nice holes just to kind of give it some air going through when you sit down. But she's done. She's done, and done. All right, let's continue. All right, so we've got the armrest done. Still got to touch it up here and there. I'll do that once it's completely on the chair itself. This is the seat. Put that label back on. Do not remove tag. I don't want to get arrested. This is the back piece. And the other armrest. So next, I think we are going to, reassemble everything back on. Reassemble the metalwork, basically. Once the metalwork is put together, then we'll put these on there. We'll touch up here and there, and we'll be ready to go. All right, let's continue. All right, welcome back. So we're done with this project. Now, there's a lot of details that I didn't show, unfortunately, because due to time limitations. Today is Sunday, the 23rd, and I had to finish this project for a Christmas present. So I had to push it, rush it, get it done, and we got it done. So let's take a look real quick. It turned out pretty good. A couple of changes I made. These were chrome, okay? So there was so much pitting on it, I changed the color to similar color to the leather. All the metal got sandblasted, painted, re-dyed. Leather got replaced. The stuffing, the cushions on the seat, everything got replaced. And I think it turned out pretty good. All right, well, thanks for joining me. We'll see you again on the next one. All right, so we're here. My customer's here to pick up the chair. You guys have always asked me, what did the customer think when they saw the project or when they were picking it up? This is a good way to show the customer's reaction when she first sees the chair. All right, here we go.
Oh, Steve, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so
much. I made a couple of changes. Remember those were chrome?
Yes.
There was so much pitting on there.
Right.
There was just no way salvaging it. I
Right.
painted it chrome and it didn't look good at all, so I just sanded it and redid it again.
It looks
So,
beautiful.
and then
Thank
you got new casters on there and everything else.
It's wonderful.
The cushioning was just dead.
Yeah.
It was just so dead, so all that is new.
It's beautiful.
It's still the same cushioning on here and on the arms. Just add a little bit more stuff and to give it some more body.
Thank
But everything
you.
else is good.
Oh,
All right?
that's gorgeous. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
I hope he enjoys it. Merry
I'm
Christmas.
sure he will. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much for joining me, guys. We'll see you again. Take care.